Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, owner of Stand Up Woman and Natalie's Table, gifts that make your heart smile. Well, first of all, I'd like to wish everyone a blessed and sanctified Saturday today. It is beautiful today. This is the day that the Lord hath made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. And to all of my subscribers and new subscribers, thank you for sticking and staying with me. And please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, I think I got it right, guys. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But life is lifing, okay? So I'm just going to show you a quick video of these beautiful Merry Christmas kids gift buckets that I created. And these are going out to the fair today, and also a couple of, like 4 of those clear gift bags. Very simple, guys. Just grab and go. Nothing large, nothing heavy, nothing expensive. Keep it inexpensive, simple, and elegant. Okay, and even cheerful. All right, so here we go. These are 2 Christmas kids baskets that I created. And it's very simple. In here, I added a ceramic Let It Snow mug with the spoon that's attached to it. And here I placed in these baskets the cocoa, chocolate, and chocolate spoons, the pretzel snacks, and I have in the back the what you call the gingerbread house kit, which is right here. Let me see if I can turn this around for you guys. What I did, I placed it to face outwards so that everyone can see, what's in the back. All right, so here we go with this one. And of course I have the candy cane in here as well. So this basket, I have about 8 items in this basket as well. And of course the candy cane, and we have the bow to top it off. And this is a similar basket. Everything's the same except the bow is a little different. But this is this basket as well. Don't fall on me here. So I hope everyone is enjoying their day today. What are you guys doing today? It's a beautiful Saturday. I hope you guys are out enjoying this beautiful weather. Yes, it is cold and crisp, but sunny. So if you're heading out, head out now. Do what you have to do. Do your shopping, run your errands, and just enjoy the day. Even if you're not shopping, just enjoy the day and embrace this moment. Because again, like I said, this is the day that the Lord hath made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. Let me show you guys the other one. And these are simple gifts, guys. Again, keep it simple and elegant. Just grab and go. These are just, so I had about 4 of these clear bags remaining, and I did not know what to do with them. I wanted to get rid of them actually and order the larger ones, but these are just simple and to put together. Just the Christmas tumbler. What I did, I folded the socks and I placed a bow on it. And these are candles. It's a scented candle, smells so good. And these are part of this gift as well as a pack of the chocolate roll shares. Okay, so just 4 items in this gift bag, guys. Grab and go. And here's another one. Just make it simple. It's a simple gift. Because remember, when people come to at your table, when they're coming to your table, they just want to pick up items that they don't want to think too long and hard about. They see it, they fall in love with it, and they know already who they have in mind to give these gifts to, and they can actually purchase more than one, and that's the idea, okay? That they purchase more than one. So if you have large, inexpensive baskets, that's the goal. You know your customers will fall in love with them, and make sure your bows are on point, make sure the gifts make sense, and they go together well collectively, and they will, your customers will love them, and they will purchase more than one, okay? And this is the green set that I have. And again, I just place a tumbler in here, pack of raw shares, candle, and a pair of those Snuggie socks. Have a jolly holly Christmas or holiday. I'm still having my coffee, you guys. And then I adorned it with this bow. And here you have another simple gift. Same concept, just a different color, and the bow is different. That's all. Same concept, guys. So I only had 4 of these bags remaining, these clear bags remaining. So what I did, I just used what I had and made it work. I just made it work, guys. So again, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to my subscribers that's already joined and connected with me, I'd like to thank all of you for your encouraging words and your comments and your motivation and inspiration. Just thank you so much. This is what we do. We do it together. We uplift one another. We do not compete. We complement each other. We do not compete with each other. All right? So again, have a blessed, sanctified Saturday. Go out there, have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much, and be blessed. Bye-bye.